Alright guys, how we identify that price will reverse from this area? Now how we confirm that this is the bottom of this downtrend and it will reverse from this area? So today in this video I'll show you one strategy or one indicator who identify that this is the bottom point and it will reverse from this area, and here is the higher point and price will reverse from this area. So means, why is it important? Because somebody sold here by using some indicator, and after that here you can see price hit this level and reverse back. So before price reverse back toward the upside, we must book the profit. All right, okay, I think this is a very interesting trading strategy, or you can say indicator. So let's do some analysis about this strategy. So before I start, please, if you are a new to my YouTube channel, please like and subscribe here. So here we will discuss, this is called ADL. ADL means advanced decline line. So here so this is the first chapter 1, so I'll continue different indicator how to use. So here is the takeaway. So once you complete this one, so let's get started. So first let me explain about ADL. So that is called advanced decline line. So first here I can see one price, this one price, and this one ADL line. Okay, ADL line. All right, so now here I can see price also running in the upside and ADL line also running in the upside. Just pointing toward the upside means this uptrend is just strong or healthy. It will continue toward the upside. So when they are forming this type of pattern, so we are looking for buy only, because this is the uptrend is a very strong. Okay, I hope you understand. So next here you can see another scenario. Here we have seen that is called downtrend confirmation or downtrend healthy. So when ADL line and the price line, so here you can see this one price is just falling down continuously, and after that here you can see ADL line also falling toward the downside, means downtrend are healthy. It is a probability to continue toward the downside. So who people sold here, they can hold their position, and it's a probability to go below this level. Okay, so another scenario most important, that is called divergence pattern. So here you can see this is the divergence pattern. Here we have seen in this area somewhere here price ADL line are running till this area, okay, and the price also running. So finally next price goes up little bit, ADL fail to create new high, next price goes up and ADL fail. So once they appear this type of pattern, means ADL are not able to create new high, it is a probability to reverse back. Who people bought somewhere there, they must close their position somewhere there, otherwise so here your entry point, it will hit your SL or something like that, whatever profit you got it, but finally price reverse back. So finally here you can see ADL failed, and after that they form a big candle and price will reverse back again. So this is the most important, we are using this indicator before market fell. All right, advanced decline line user. So where exactly we use this indicator? So basically first step, so when both are ADL line and price line both are running in an uptrend, so we are looking for buy only. And when ADL line and price line both are running in a downside, we are looking for short only. When ADL line is running in an upside but the price line running in a downside, means the trend will change. Whatever we place the order is the time to book our profit, otherwise price will reverse back. That is why it's confirming the reverse of this market. Then another both are indicator, which depending on a market condition. Example, first here I can see somewhere here ADL line. Here you can see price line also running, ADL line also running. They are creating new high. So finally price create new high, ADL line are diverging, right? So once ADL line, so suppose we bought somewhere there, for example we bought here, so we have seen some support or resistance and we bought somewhere there, all right, and the price are running here, so ADL line also running toward the upside and the price goes up, but now here you can see from this area, have you seen ADL also declining, all right, so price again goes up and ADL are declining. So once we have seen the ADL are decline again and again, you must book your profit whatever you bought somewhere there. So who people are waiting that they are expecting the price will go up, what happened, price will reverse back. So that is why we are using ADL line to find out the reversing point, the higher point. And similarly here you can see price also falling, ADL line also falling. So here I can see continuously falling. So after that price continuously in a downside, but ADL are start running toward the upside. So who people sold here, and here I can see ADL also falling first, the second, but the next ADL start pointing there towards upside, means this trend are going to end now, all right, means these downtrend are weaker, so we have to book our profit, otherwise you can see price goes up, all right. So next here you can see ADL line and price both are running in the upside. The first here you can see next attempt next attempt price goes up, second attempt price goes up, but ADL fail, so means this uptrend are completed. There was some strength, it will go up, we entered here, but finally we have seen in this area ADL are declining somewhere there, they are declining, so means price will reverse from this area, all right. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for giving your valuable time.